Today topic is what is doc type HTML. Okay, so this is the first statement. Okay, first tag. So what is doc type HTML tag? So doc type HTML tag. So before you start HTML document, you must start with the type declaration, that is doc type HTML. Okay, doc type HTML. So this is the type declaration of HTML document, and this is the new feature in HTML5. Okay, so see here, new doc type. Okay, first feature. So must start with the type declaration, that is doc type HTML tag. So always you need to add this doc type declaration to your HTML documents. Always add doc type declaration to your HTML documents. So that the browser knows what what type of documents to expect. Okay, so what type of documents expect? So in older versions, okay, so in older versions like up to 4.0 version, okay, HTML 4.0 version. So in older versions we use DTD rules to declare HTML documents. So what is DTD? DTD stands for doc type declaration. Doc type declaration. Declaration. This specifies the rules for the markup language. Specifies rules for the markup language. Rules for the markup language. So that the browser render the content correctly. Render the content correctly. So HTML5 is not based on HTML. So there is HTML is there in HTML5. HTML5 is not based on HTML. So HTML stands for standard 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 generalized markup language. Okay, HTML stands for standard generalized markup language, and therefore does not require a reference to a DTD, and therefore does not require require reference to a DTD. Reference to a DTD. Okay, so up to 4.0 version, we use DTD doc type declaration to specify the markup tags, and after HTML5, we don't need DTD. So directly we can specify doc type declaration. Okay, doc type HTML. So in older versions, HTML 4.0 up to 4.0, we have to define the HTML documents like this: doc type HTML and public double quotes and next slash slash w3c slash slash DTD and XHTML and 1.0 and transitional slash slash en, and after that again double quotes http www.double3org and slash tr slash xhtml 1 and slash dtd slash xhtml1 transitional dot dtd. Okay, so this is the declaration of HTML forms. Okay, so in up to 4.0, from after HTML5, okay, in HTML5 directly we can declare doc type HTML. Okay, so that HTML5 is not based on HTML. HTML means standard generalized markup language and is a standard for how to specify document. Okay, markup language, and this is the doc type declaration. And next, HTML elements. HTML elements. HTML elements, and there is a number of elements is there: paragraph, images, and headings, and links, development, and span, like this. So first of all, paragraph. So paragraph element. To define any block of content, to define any block of content, in HTML document, So paragraphs are defined. Paragraphs are defined with p tag. Okay, p tag. So p tag start with this tag and end with this tag. Okay, start with slash p and end with slash less than slash p. Okay, so this is the example of paragraph in HTML. So we can define the content in between these two, starting tag and ending tag. You can define content here. Okay, so between these two paragraphs, between these two tags. So an example on paragraph. So create an HTML document. Okay, p element, that is the document name, p element.html, and I want to display some content in HTML document. Okay, so already these tags are created by default. So and I want to display some content like I want to display this content in HTML document by using paragraph.
Just mandatory for the meta
This is not mandatory. Okay, we can remove this one also. So by default it will create, okay, this meta tag. So run this document. Okay, so DTD doc type declaration specifies the rules for the markup language. So paragraphs you can display like this. So go to inspect element and see the HTML tags. Okay, so doc type HTML element, and the body tag. Okay, so like this we can display some block of contents using paragraph. And next, image element. Suppose you want to display image in HTML form. You wanted to display images in HTML document or form. So use image tag img. Okay, image tag. Okay, to display images in HTML document. So images are defined with the image tag, defined with image tag, and four important attributes is for image tag. That is src attribute and height attribute and width attribute, and next alt attribute. These are the important attributes for image tag. Okay, must and should we have to define this to display images. Source attribute for to give image path. Okay, to give image path, and this is the location of image, and this is the height of image, and this is width of image. Okay, and next this is alternate text. If we don't have any image, okay, so we can display alternate text. So syntax for image tag img. Okay, so image tag and source attribute. Here we have to define the path for image and height of the image and width of the image, and next alternate attribute. Okay, so this is the end tag of image tag. Okay, if you want to display image in HTML document, you have to define the image tag like this. So one example on image tag. So create HTML document, image element. Okay, img and source and height and width and alternate text. Okay, so here height is 200 pixels and width is 300 pixels and alternate text. Okay, my image. Okay, save this and run this example once. Okay, here if you don't have any image, okay, here there is no source for image. Okay, there is no image for this tag, so source attribute is empty, so that my image text is displaying, okay, instead of image. Okay, if you provide the image path here, so it will display image. So you can copy the images from, okay, pictures and place your images in our application folder. Okay, in our application folder place your images and refresh here. So this is penguins.jpg. Okay, and next run this example. So here image is displaying. Okay, we provided image path. Okay, so directly image is in uh, parent folder, right? So there is no child folders in this our HTML application name. If image is in another image folder, okay, image in image folder penguins.jpg file is there. Okay, here image folder and penguins.jpg file, so that image folder and penguins.jpg. Okay, so like this you have to give the path. Okay, okay, same image is displaying. Okay, image folder and penguins.jpg is our image. Okay, so this is the image tag, and next tag is HTML links. Okay, HTML links. Okay, HTML links are used to define HTML. Links are used to used to redirect from one page to another page. another page within same application, or we can redirect from our application into another application. Okay, so this is the syntax for links. Okay, so HTML links are defined with a tag. HTML links are defined with a tag. Okay, so when you click on this link, when you click on this tag, when you click on this link, when you click on this links, we can jump to another page. Okay, and syntax is a tag, and this is the end tag of anchor tags. Okay, so in anchor tag we have one important attribute, that is href. Okay, href is path of another page or another website. Okay, if you want to redirect from one page to another page, we can give the path of page here, or we can give the another website path also. If you want to redirect, when you click on this link, if you want to redirect to Yahoo or Google, you can give here http www.yahoo.co.in. Okay, so and here this is the text for anchor tag. Okay, so this is the text for anchor tag. So an example, so create HTML document, links element, so create anchor tags like a tag and href attribute is the most important attribute for anchor tag. To when you click on the anchor tag, you can redirect from one page to another page, or we can redirect from one application to another application. Okay, I want to redirect to image element.html form. When you click on this link, okay, and click on me to redirect to image page. Okay, so this is the text for anchor tag. So run this example. Okay, so this is the text. Okay, so this is the text for anchor tag. When you click on this link, so it will redirect to image element.html form. Okay, we are in links element.html form. So when you click on this link, it will redirect to image element.html form. Suppose if you want to redirect from one application to another application or another website, directly you can give the path, that is http www.google.com. convey to Google. Okay, so refresh this. Okay, so here two links available for separation. You can give the BR, okay, BR tag to give the break between these two elements. Okay, to display in next line. So click this link. Okay, it will go to google.com. Okay, if you want to open these links in new tab, okay, give here target attribute target blank. Okay, so that it will open in new tab. So refresh this, click on this link. Okay, so it will open in new tab. So this is the example of anchor tags. And next, HTML headings.
If you don't mind, can you open the coding once?
Okay,
And if you don't mind, like why we use the marquee, MARQUEE?
marquee tag uses for to pass the like uh, moving the text from right to left or left to right. Marquee
From
tags
left to right?
from
From
left
left to right or right to left?
right to left.
Okay, can you show me that? Can you show me one?
So marquee. My content. Resource. One attribute is there. There is
If you use that marquee like that, just it move from left to right.
yeah,
Instead of that, just I want from right to left.
right to left. There is one option is there. It is very slow. Okay, like this.
Yeah, got it.
Mm.
But if you, yeah, if you don't mind, can you make the session has to be recorded? Like, yeah, right now it's recording.
Mm. Okay, so next is HTML headings. HTML headings. So HTML headings are defined with H1 to H6 text tags. HTML headings are defined with H1, H1 to H6 tags. H6 tags. So these headings are used to define HTML headings. Headings are used to define headings in HTML form. So H1 defines the most important heading. H1 tag defines most important heading, and H6 tag defines least important heading, least important heading. The syntax is H1 tag and starting tag and heading tag. Okay, so to define the headings, we can use H1 to H6 tags. So like H2 and next H3. So and H6. Okay. So example on headings. Create an HTML form. Headings. So I want to display some headings. Okay, for this content. Okay, so this is the content, and this content is in paragraph. Okay, and we can add H1 tag for this. Okay, so now this HTML headings will display in bigger size. Okay, most important heading. So heading for this paragraph. To define the least important heading, we can use H6. Okay, least important heading. So like this we can define H3 or H4. Okay, so like this we can define the headings for any content. And next, so HTML formatting elements. So to display formatting elements are used to design to display special type of text. Okay, formatting elements are designed to display special types of text in HTML document. Okay, that is number of types is there. That is bold type. First one is bold type text, and the second one is marked text, and third one deleted text, and fourth one small text, fifth one Italian format, Italian text format, and the sixth one okay, italic text format, and subscripts and subscript and superscript, and seventh one is inserted text. Okay, so these are the formats to display text in HTML documents. So example on these formats: add one HTML document. Okay, HTML formats. Okay, so if you want to display bold type text format, okay, so for example, one paragraph is there. This is our sample paragraph. Okay, so I want to display paragraph in bold text. Okay, bold type, so that we can put b tag. Okay, b tag to display bold type. Okay, so run this example. Okay, so paragraph is displaying in bold type, bold. So go to inspect element, and here paragraph, and this is the content. So for paragraph, b tag is available. Okay, to display bold text, we can use b tag. So like this, mark text. Okay, to highlight the any content, you can use mark text. This is our sample paragraph again. Okay, so I want to highlight this sample. Okay, use mark text, mark tag. Okay, to highlight the text. So refresh this. Okay, so sample paragraph is highlighting. So this is the background color by default, yellow color. And next, deleted text. So if you want to display deleted text format, you can use del tag. Okay, del tag to display deleted text format. Okay, so deleted text format is apply. Okay, hoverline for that word. And next, small text. Okay, to display small text, we can use small tag. Okay, small tag to display text small. Okay, so between these two tags, we have to provide the text. Okay, small starting tag and ending tag. And for deleted text also, small starting tag and ending tag. And for marker text also, starting tag, ending tag. And for bold text also. So refresh this. Okay, so this is small text. And next, italic text format, use I tag. For italic text format, use I tag. I tag. So refresh this. Okay. Sample paragraph. And next format is superscript and subscript. Superscript and subscript paragraph. Suppose I want to display 10 square. Okay, so use superscript 10 square. Okay, and for subscript, so it will display in bottom of the text. Subscript. Refresh this. Okay, so 10 square, and like this we can display using superscript and subscript. And next, insert a text format. So use ins tag to display insert a text format. Ins tag. Okay, so I insert a text format will apply underline for the specified content. So these are the formats available in HTML formatting elements. And next, HTML comments. HTML comment tag. So HTML comment tags are used to insert comments in the source code. HTML comments are used to insert comments in HTML form. So these comments are not displayed in the browsers. Comments are not displayed in the browser. Okay, not displayed in the browser. So these comments.
One question, Prasad, like insert a text. Can you open the output and the source file too?
Sorry.
For the insert a text, can you open the code?
Okay, to insert the content.
Yeah, can you open the code once?
Okay.
For that inserted, just we can use for the underline, like we can use like you. So
Just
what are
repeat.
the variations for those things? For the underline, for we can use you instead of that you are using ins. What are the variations for those?
variations between ins tag.
See one thing, like just give that same line copy, and instead of that ins you can use that u.
U.
So yeah, we can underline that, right? What are the variations for those?
1 second. U is the another list. Okay, to define the list. Okay, so this is to just to apply the line. Okay, based on U tag. Uh, to define the
But the output is same
both
as like for the inserted.
both output is
Both are
same, but
just for the output the viewing is same. And what are the variations for those? Like having some variation.
there is no variations between these two. Just to display underlines. Okay, U element represents a span of text with a
Then
unarticulated.
those two are same, right?
Hmm.
But like instead of u they are using ins.
Hmm.
If having any some variation so that they'll use. But you saying that both are same. But
What is the variations between these two? So insert the tag is to uh, add the additional content to this paragraph. Okay, you just define the span of content. Just underline. Okay, such as labeling the text as being a proper name in Chinese text. Actually, I did not use this U tag. Okay, I'm not using this tag.
basically in the real-time scenario, most of the people will use for the underline u only. For the inserted text also they'll use u. Why ins and what are the major role on ins?
Actually,
If you have like yeah.
present days, all are using CSS to apply the underlines. Okay, for
Yeah,
any text.
absolutely.
Hmm. So these elements are not using. Actually, I did not use this U tag. Non-textual annotation, such as labeling the text as being a proper name. So, okay, I will tomorrow. I will explain this. Okay. I want to know about
Sure.
this tag.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. So next, HTML comments. So these comments are used to insert comments in HTML form, and comments are not displayed in the browser. Okay, that means these comments are not executed in the browser. And these comments are used to also explain our HTML code. Comments are also used to explain your HTML code. And if you don't want to execute some block of content, if you don't want to execute some block of some block of code. You can put that code in, put that code in comments. Okay, put that code in comments, or you can put that description in comments. Okay, so comment symbol is syntax, less than, and not symbol, hyphen hyphen, and this is the start with, the starting tag, and ending tag. So this is the ending tag. Okay, so for comments in HTML form. So example, add one HTML document, HTML comments. So for example, so number of, okay, 4 paragraphs is there in our HTML document. I don't want to exclude these 2 paragraphs. Okay, so directly we can put these 2 paragraphs in comment, like less than, not, hyphen hyphen. Okay, and cut this end tag and paste here. Okay, so from this example, okay, only 2 paragraphs are displaying, remaining 2 is in comment. Okay, so these comments are not executed in the browser, so only 2 paragraphs are displaying. So like this we can explain our code. Okay, you can write the description for your code below paragraph. So like this, okay, you can explain our code.